Yeah, I use this every wash day. I love it. Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Callie, and this is a continuation of my previous video. If you haven't seen that one, check that one out. But what I decided to do is a pre-poo with some coconut oil. Ooh, I look crazy, y'all. My hair's so dirty. I'm using this and some water. I'm gonna spritz my hair and just kind of massage that oil like all throughout my hair. After, I'm gonna use a shower cap, and then I'm gonna use my heated cap. I'm gonna put this in the microwave, and it heats up, has little, I think it's flax seeds in here. I've had this for years now, but I love it. I use it every wash day. I forgot where I got it from, but it's called Hot Heads. That's where I got it from, Hot Heads. But yeah, I use this every wash day. I love it. It's amazing for my deep conditions or anytime I need to heat up my hair. Oh, I don't have any clips or anything. I am not prepared. It's not super detangled, but it's manageable. But I'm gonna just put some twists in here. I'm not gonna try to like detangle it any further just yet. All right, I'll be back once I finish the back. So the next step is my cap. And then I'm gonna put my heating cap on top. Of course, I'm gonna go heat it up first, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like. You just put it on top of here. And I heat my cap up. I kind of flip it inside out and then flip it again. Probably like in 30-second like intervals. I do that about 3 times and then put it on my head. And then I'm gonna sit in this for about at least 20 minutes. It'll probably be 30 though. But I'm gonna sit in here for at least 20 minutes until this kind of cools down, and then I'll be back. Okay, I am back. It's been an hour. But I'm gonna have to cancel on the protein treatment because I could have sworn I had more of my Aztec clay mask stuff. I had like a huge bottle. I guess I'm out because I can't find it, so I'm gonna probably do it next time. But I'm definitely gonna do a deep condition. Oof. This is my hair after the coconut oil. So now I'm gonna go shampoo, condition, detangle it with the conditioner, and then yeah, and I'm gonna deep condition my hair. after I condition it, because when I use my conditioner, I use that to detangle. So after I detangle it, I'm gonna deep condition. But this is how my hair is looking with the coconut oil. It's looking much better at the roots. I couldn't just go in and start shampooing because it would just be a mess. But my hair is softer. Now I'm about to go shampoo and do all this stuff. I'm not gonna do it on camera, but I'll come back once I'm done. Let me know if y'all want to actually see it one day. Right now, I'm not really feeling that great, so maybe next time. My hairstyle I'm doing is mini twists this time. Mini twists. Thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and like this video if you enjoyed it. And on the next video, I'll be installing my mini twists, so stay tuned for that.